Areas needed: Arduino Uno breadboard, 7-segment display, common anode, push button, resistors, 1K resistor for the 7-segment display, and 220 ohms for the button. Connecting wires. Place the 7-segment display and put the connecting wires on it, and the push button on the breadboard, and also put a connecting wires on its pins. When you already put the connecting wires and the push button, connect it to the 7 segments. Pins A to G of the 7-segment display to Arduino digital pins 2 to 8 through 1K resistors. Connect the one side of the push button to the positive terminal, the other side to the ground through a 220 resistor. Connect this side to the digital pin 9 of Arduino. In this setup, the 7 segment is setting up to connect to Arduino. Some resistors are already set up and have the connecting wires to Arduino in 7 segment. That is 7 resistors. That's all for the setting up of the 7 segments. This is the result. If you push the button continuously, it will count manually up to 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The program 2 is same with the program 1. The setup is same, but the push button, you will change it into toggle switch. Program 2 is when you turn off, the count of the 7 segment will be descending green. If you turn on, it will count ascending. Off and on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Materials needed: Arduino Uno breadboard, 7-segment display, common anode, toggle switch, 1 dip switch, 7 resistors, 220 ohms, and solid wires. So follow the same connections for the 7 segment display as in program 1. Program 1 and 2. Connect the pins of the dip switch. And if you already connect the pin switch, connect it to the Arduino. You will just connect the pins of 1, 2, 3 to the Arduino based on the instruction. Pin 2, and lastly is the first pin of the dip switch, the 1. We are done connecting the dip switch to Arduino. Connect the toggle switch. And also the connecting wires from the breadboard and to Arduino and the ground. This is the result when toggle switch is on, the display will count up. When the toggle switch is off, the display will count down. Note the dip switch behavior is if the switch 1 is on, it will show 1. If switches 1 and 2 are on, it will show 3. If switches 1, 2, and 3 are on, it will show 7. There is a delay on this. Off, countdown, 5, 4, switch 3 is on, so that is 4. It is 5 because of the delay, but if it will count down because it is off. This is program for Arduino Uno breadboard, 3 LEDs, green, yellow, red, 3 resistors, 10K ohms, connecting wires. That are the materials needed. So place the LEDs, the green, yellow, and red. Then put a resistor on it. 10K ohms resistor is needed. You already connect the LEDs and the resistor. Connect the positive terminals of the LEDs to Arduino digital pins. The negative terminals of the LEDs to the ground. All LEDs are connected to the negative terminal. And that is the connecting wires from the LED to the Arduino. Last wire to connect the LED. As you can see, the 7 segment is same with the past programs because 7 segment display has only one setup for common anode. That's it. You already connect the Arduino to the breadboard. The green LED for 9 seconds. Switch yellow LED for 1 second. And red for 9 seconds. Again, green for 9 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yellow next for 1 second. And red for 9 seconds again. That is because it is based on the stoplight. That's it. Materials needed: Arduino Uno breadboard, 2 button switches, 2 resistors, 10K ohms, connecting wires. 7-segment setting is same with the past programs. This where the two button switches are placing at the breadboard and the 10K resistor, two 10K resistors for the two buttons. Connect the other side of each button to Arduino digital pins. Two connecting wires for two buttons. And as you can see, the resistors are connecting to the grounds. That's it. As you can see, the program is manually count up and down, starting at 1. Count up, 7. Count down, program 6. Materials needed, Arduino Uno breadboard, 7-segment display, 277 display common area, 16 resistors, 220 ohms, 2 LDRs, 10 2 resistors, connecting wires. There is the 2 7-segment display on the breadboard. If you already connect the 7 segment to the breadboard, connect each segment pin to displays to Arduino digital pins through 220 resistors. Connect the 7 segment to the terminals, negative, resistors, seven in the other side, right side, and 7 resistors to the left side. Total of 14 resistors, 220. Each 7 segment is supported by the 7 resistors. To support the pins. Put the connecting wires connect the wires of the breadboard to the Arduino. Each pins of 7 segment is connected to the resistors of 220 ohms via wires, solid wires. That's all. This is the program 6 where the LDRs are designed. The seventh segment display to hello when the right LDR is black. Display by when the left LDR is black. As you can see, that is the right, and it will show the hello. That's it. Thank you.